everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to open an account on Deezer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Make sure you've downloaded Deezer application on your device. Once you have, tap it open and this is the very first interface of Deezer. If you already have an account, you can tap on the login button right below the sign up button and log into your account entering your credentials. But if you're trying to open up a new account on Deezer since you don't have one, tap on the sign up button. Now, in order to sign up, you can sign up using your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can also enter an email, create a password for your account. Let me go ahead and enter an email address in order to sign up. Enter a valid email address that you have access to and then create a password for your account on the next field. Make sure to create a password that is at least 8 characters, and once you do that, double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner right here and create a username for your account on the next field. Once you type in the username that you'd like to use, enter your age into the age text field. Now select your gender where it says identity and finally tap on sign up. Accept the terms and services by tapping on accept, and now what you can do is you can choose an artist for more personalized recommendations. Tap on the search box where it says search for an artist and type in the artist name. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the search result displayed on the screen. Now you'll need to choose 2 more artists, so repeat the process by going to the search button and type in the name of the artist that you'd like to look for. You can also select one from the result on the display. Now finally, after you've chosen 3 artists, tap on continue with 3 artists, or if you'd like to choose more, you can go ahead and pick from the list displayed on the screen. Tap on continue with the artist at the bottom and you'll be logged into your Deezer application. That means you've successfully signed up for your Deezer. That is how you can easily open up an account on Deezer. If you'd like to visit your profile, go to the settings or the gear button at the top right corner, and there you go. If you'd like to log out of the account, simply scroll all the way down from the settings option and tap on log out, and that way you'll be able to open up a new Deezer account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.